In this lecture, we'll study about logical validity. So what is a valid? If implication A implication B is tautology, then A valid B. It means if the truth value of A implication B is always true, then we can say A valid B. Similarly, we have equivalence. If by implication A by implication B is tautology, then A equivalence B. That is, if A implication B and B implication A, okay, then we have A equivalence B. Okay, so we know this particular formula that if A implication B and B implication A, then A by implication B. Okay, so if it is a tautology, if A by implication B is a tautology, means it has always truth value is true, then you can say A equivalence B. So come to one example here. In this example, we'll prove that the left hand side is valid to the right hand side. Okay, it means this left hand side implication right hand side is always true. Okay, so for this, let us first draw the truth table for the implication. So we have AB, okay, A implication B. So this is, let's suppose, false true, false true, false true. Okay, so now here the truth value of the first row is false, false is true, false true is true, true false is false, true true is true. Okay, so when you see this particular truth table, okay, so in all the row the truth value is true except the third row here. Okay, so basically we'll check this particular row. Okay, when the truth value of the left hand side is true, then whether the truth value of the right hand side is false or anything else, because in all other cases the truth value is true. Okay, so first of all we check this one. Okay, when the left hand side is true, then whether the right hand side is false or not. If it is not false, it may be true, so we can have the last one. Okay, so left hand side is true, right hand side is true, so we can have true implication true is true. Okay, so in this way you can prove that left hand side valid right hand side. Okay, so let us take an example here. There is a universal discourse S1. So just assume that R stands for rich and I stands for intelligent here. Okay, so if I take S1 as let's suppose all persons are rich. Okay, well, now let us find the truth value of the left hand side. Okay, so the truth value of the left hand side, so what is the truth value of this? For all R, is all person are rich? Yes, true. Is all person are intelligent? No, it's false. So the truth value of the left hand side is true. And now let us find the truth value of the right hand side. Okay, for all R I. Okay, so we have is all persons are either rich or intelligent. Okay, or you may say, is all person are rich or intelligent? Yes, all person are rich or intelligent. He is rich but not intelligent, but at least he is rich. So the truth value of this one is true. So hence we conclude that when the left hand side is true, the right hand side cannot be false. Hence we cannot get the false answer here. We always get the true answer. Okay, since we always get the true answer, so this is a valid. Okay, so therefore we can combine together. Okay, conclude that for all R, for all I, valid. Okay, now come to the second one. But if you write down this particular statement in the reverse order, okay, then this is not valid. Okay, so for the not valid, one example is sufficient. So let's suppose we take S2 as 2% are rich and 2% are intelligent, suppose. Okay, so let's find the truth value for this. Okay, so here also we'll try for this the third row. Okay, so the left hand side is, so is all person are rich or intelligent? Yes, all person are either rich or intelligent, so it is true. Now come to the right hand side. For all are, for all I. Okay, see here, is all person are rich? Is all person are rich? No, it's false. Is all person are intelligent? No, it's false. So false, disjunction false is false. So we have this one, left hand side implication right hand side is equal to false. Okay, hence we cannot say that, hence we can say that for all our disjunction I is not valid. For our disjunction for I. Okay, so now come to the third one here. In the third case we have there exist R and I. Okay, there exist R and I. So for this we just take an example here. Same thing in the truth table we'll prove this one, whether the third row, that is we have true, false. Let's suppose this A, B. This is the third row, and we'll conclude this one whether when the left hand side is true, whether the right hand side is true or false. So we have to prove that the right hand side is not false. Hence we cannot get false here. Okay. So in other words, if the left hand side is true, right hand side is always true here in this case. Okay. So let's suppose we take an example here where we make the left hand side true. Okay. So the example is, let's suppose we take universe of discourse S3 as one person is both rich and intelligent, and the rest of the person are either rich or intelligent. Okay. So this is the case. Now let us find out the truth value for the left hand side. So it means some person are rich and intelligent. There is one person who is rich and intelligent, so it is true. Now let us find the truth value for the right hand side. Okay, so here the truth value is some person are rich. Yes. Some person are rich. Yes, it is true. And this is the conjunction. Some person are intelligent. Yes, some person are intelligent. So we get true here. So it concludes that when the left hand side is true, we cannot get the right hand side as false. The right hand side always be true. Okay, so hence it will be, so we conclude that T, this is the left hand side, T implication T is true. Okay, so hence we conclude that there exist R and I valid, there exists R conjunction, there exists I. Okay, similarly we have the fourth one. So for this we take one counter example here. Let's suppose inverse of discourse. Okay, so this fourth one is just the reverse of this. Okay, so this reverse of this is not valid. Okay, so let us take S4 as, let us 2% are rich and 2% are intelligent, let's suppose. Okay, so what is the left hand side? What is the truth value for the left hand side? Okay, so is some person are rich? Yes. Is some person are intelligent? Yes, 2% are intelligent. So we have true, true, false. True conjunction true is false. Sorry, true conjunction true is true. Now come to the right hand side. So we have, okay, now is some person is rich and intelligent? So there is no such person who is both rich and intelligent. So there is the truth value for this is false. Okay, so we have true implication f is equal to f. Okay, so hence we have there exists r conjunction, there exists I is not valid, there exists r conjunction I. Okay, so now come to the fifth one. Okay, so in the same manner we can prove the fifth one as well. Okay, so here we have implication inside. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? The left hand side means every rich person is intelligent. Okay, the right hand side means all are rich, then all are intelligent. This is the meaning of this. Okay, so let us write it down. Every left hand side means every rich person is intelligent, which is valid. All are rich, or all are rich, then all are intelligent. Okay, so we can have, let's suppose, take universe of discourse S5 as, so let's suppose you have four-person. So the left hand side is true here because every rich person is intelligent. So in this universal discourse, every rich person is intelligent. So we have left hand side is equal to, okay, left hand side is equal to true. Very clear. Every rich person is intelligent. So in the universe of discourse, every rich person is intelligent. Now come to the right hand side. All are rich, then all are intelligent. Okay. So see here in this universe of discourse, all are rich. Okay, so let us, right hand side is nothing but we have this one. So is all are rich? Yes, all are rich. True. Is all are intelligent? Yes. Okay. So right hand side is also true. So it means we can have left hand side implication right hand side is equal to true. Okay, so hence we can say that left hand side valid right hand side. Okay, so we can say left hand side valid right hand side. Okay, so come to the last one. Here six here. The left hand side is equivalent to the right hand side. Okay, so we can prove it very easily by using previous formula. So the left hand side is nothing but, okay, so let me write down the negation in this one. So R implication I can be written as negation R or I. Okay, now let us enter or let us write this negation inside the bracket. So this universal discourse, the universal quantifier will become existential quantifier. So this will be like this. Okay, so here we have used the formula here. A implication B is equivalent to negation A or B. Okay, use the De Morgan's law here. So negation R will be cancelled out, so it become R. This disjunction will become conjunction, and we have a negation I. Okay, so we have used De Morgan's law. Okay, so we proved right hand side because this is the right hand side. Okay, so in this way we can prove the different logical validity, that is valid and equivalence. Okay, so before we conclude, okay, so let me write it down. What is the meaning of this in sentence? Okay, so it means we can write all are rich. Let's suppose I write here left hand side means all are rich or all are intelligent. Valid, all are rich or intelligent. Okay, similarly you can write it down. Some are rich, this particular left hand side. Some are rich and intelligent. Valid, some are rich and some are intelligent. Okay, so in this way we can find the sentence of any given statement having universal quantifier and existential quantifier. Okay,